And so, good morning, everybody, and welcome back, Team 11, and welcome, everyone. Uh, so for today, I'll just be sending to you the practice exercises for the categorical proposition. So technically, it's just the same with last week, but this time I'll just be clarifying some matters. Okay. Number one is this. When it comes to the submission part, so let me see here. So you need to submit it in the BBL submission bin, correct? So it should look something like this. Kindly refer to your chat box. Now, when you're submitting, I finally found the root cause of our problem from last week is that if you're going to submit through your cell phones, the submission bin is blank. Okay? It will reveal to you that it's blank. But if it if you use your laptops or desktops, the submission can be accessible. So what does it mean? So after you've done your practice exercise and you've taken the photograph of it as proof and you're about to submit it, as much as you can, try using a laptop or desktop. Now you might be asking me, Sir, I don't have a laptop or a desktop, diba? How should I proceed? Well, I believe you can ask your classmate, or you can ask your classmates or your friends who have a laptop or desktop who might you might be encountering at school or somewhere near, so that you can have access to the BBL so that you can submit it in the submission bin. Okay, so that will really help in the problem of last week in terms of the submission bin. So that's the main cause of the problem when I ask our IT guys about that one. Okay? So technically, the practice exercises share the same instruction with us of the definition of terms. Okay? So your submission will be on Friday. Okay? So just like last time, so kindly submit this on Friday, to which I'll also be sending the instructions for your asynchronous session on the Friday. Okay? So guys, try to really work on this on your own, because this will also serve as a preparation and practice for your preliminary exam. Okay? So take this as a practice and also as a guide on how will you answer when the module assessment comes along. So it might be many, but that's how skills are produced by repetition and by repetition by themselves. Okay? So I'll be sending this here, and this is due on the Friday. Okay? So the instructions are also presented within, so kindly go ahead and check it out. Okay? So do you have any immediate concerns or question with regards to this one? Anyone? Or are the instructions somehow clear? Okay. So technically, that's about does it for today. I just wanted to meet you so that I can clarify some of the problems that have been encountered with last week. Okay? Sir, could you repeat? Okay. Connection issues. Okay, okay. So, when it comes to submission, okay, try your best to use a laptop or desktop, because if you use your phones to directly submit it in the submission bin of the Blackboard, sometimes it does not work. So the best possible thing that you can do is to submit it via laptop or desktops. Now you might ask me, sir, how about us that does not have a laptop or desktop? So since you can submit this on Friday, so try your best to connect with someone, with a friend, with a close classmate to help you or assist you in logging in your BBL account in their browser so that you can make the submission. Okay? So technically, this is the same instructions from last week. Okay? Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Okay. Sige. Go ahead. So with that in mind, so good luck with the practice exercises. So kindly do them so that it will be as part of your preparation for the upcoming preliminary examination by next week. Okay? So if you don't have any other questions and maybe some of you are heading to school and it's already raining, so please take care. Mag-ingat po kayo and good luck with the rest of your day. Okay, so technically, that's all that I wanted to give you with regards to these exercises para malinaw lang po siya. Okay? So with that, thank you so much. Good luck and I'll send the instructions for the Friday session for you to work with. Okay? So ingat po kayo and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.